I'm Archbishop Julian Porteous. I'm the Archbishop of Hobart, Tasmania, Australia. As I look around our society today, I'm very conscious of the fact that so many people have lost a sense of God, lost a sense of faith. Organisations like Parousia Media are very important in this moment because they are bringing the faith. They're helping people discover the richness, the beauty, the inspiration that comes from our Catholic faith. I encourage you to engage with the work of Parousia Media.